If your floors are never clean, or you're tired of vacuuming yourself, this video is for you. The market is flooded, prices vary wildly, and the wrong pick wastes real money. Covering the 7 best robot vacuums this year, from a budget light detection and ranging pick to the flagship ranked the best in the world. All links in the description. Stick around till the end. The #1 pick will surprise you. Starting at number 7, the eufy RoboVac 11S Max, the best ultra-budget vacuum for first-time buyers in 2026. Most people assume a cheap robot just bumps around randomly. The 11S Max proves that wrong. First, a 2.85-inch ultra-slim body that glides under furniture most robots can't reach. Next, Boost IQ technology that automatically ramps suction in 1.5 seconds when it hits harder debris or carpet. Finally, 100-minute runtime with auto recharge. It cleans, then puts itself away. Cons: no Wi-Fi or app, remote control only. No self-emptying base. Cleans in random patterns, not systematic rows. Best for first-time buyers, small apartments, anyone wanting simple and quiet. Not for smart home users or large homes. At $139.99, the 11S Max gets a trusted brand cleaning your floors without touching your budget. New to robot vacuums? This is where you start. At number 6, the iRobot Roomba 105 Vac with AutoEmpty Dock. The best step up for buyers wanting Roomba reliability with self-emptying. The 11S Max cleaned your floors, but you're still emptying it by hand and guessing if it missed spots. The Roomba 105 solves both. First, clear view light detection and ranging that maps your home and cleans in neat rows, not random patterns. Next, 75-day auto-empty dock with allergen-sealed bags trapping 99% of pollen and dust. Finally, app, voice, and button control. Schedule by room, set no-go zones, clean on demand. Cons: vacuum only, no mopping. Bag dock means ongoing purchases. No camera obstacle avoidance. Best for allergy households, busy schedules, Roomba fans. Not for hard floor households needing mopping. At $279.99, the Roomba 105 delivers 75 days of hands-free cleaning with trusted light detection and ranging navigation. Automate today? This is it. Coming in at number 5, the Roborock Q10 S5 Plus, the best mid-range pick for homes needing mopping alongside serious suction. Every robot below this either skips the mop on carpet or requires manual pad removal. The Q10 S5 Plus eliminates both. First, auto mop lifting. The sonic mop rises 10 millimeters on carpet, drops back on hard floors. One run, no compromises. Next, 10,000 Pascal hyperforce suction with a dual anti-tangle brush. Powerful for carpet and hair. Finally, a 70-day self-emptying dock. You're not touching the bin for months. Cons: mop pad requires manual removal for carpet-only runs. No mop washing at the dock. Obstacle avoidance is sensor-based. Best for mixed floor homes, pet households, buyers wanting auto mop lift. Not for homes needing mop self-washing. At $279.99, the Q10 S5 Plus delivers sonic mopping, auto lift, and 10,000 Pascal in one package. Want mopping done right? This is it. At number 4, the Shark AI Ultra, the best mid-range pick for pet owners who want deep cleaning without ongoing bag costs. Basic pet home robots pick up surface hair but miss corners and walls. The Shark AI Ultra was built for this problem. First, matrix clean navigation. A precision grid taking multiple overlapping passes over dirty zones for complete coverage. Next, a bagless 60-day self-emptying base. No bags, no expense. Empty the base when full and you're done. Finally, a self-cleaning brush roll that resists hair tangles while lifting debris from every floor type. Cons: vacuum only, no mopping. App is less refined than Roborock's. No camera-based obstacle avoidance either. Best for pet owners, carpet homes, buyers wanting bagless self-emptying. Not for hard floor households that need mopping. At $279.99, the Shark AI Ultra is the most complete pet home vacuum at this price. Have pets? This is the one. At number 3, the Roborock Qrevo QV 35A. The best complete system for households wanting full dock automation. Every robot below this has a gap. No mop washing, manual pad removal, or a drag pad. The QV35A closes every one. First, dual 200 revolutions per minute spinning mops with 10mm auto lift. Scrubs hard floors, rises over carpets. No manual removal. Next, an all-in-one dock that washes mop pads, dries them, auto empties for 7 to 9 weeks, and refills the 4-liter water tank. Finally, 8,000 Pascal Hyperforce suction with a zero-tangle side brush, certified at 0% hair tangling. Cons: mop washing uses cool air, not hot water. Obstacle avoidance is camera-free. App takes learning time. Best for mixed floor homes, pet households, buyers wanting full dock automation. Not for those needing hot water washing. At $399.99, the QV35A is the first robot here with a fully automated all-in-one dock. This is it. Quick reminder, if this is helping you decide, hit that like button and subscribe. All product links are down in the description. Now, let's get to the top 2. At number 2, the eufy Robot Vacuum E25. The best premium pick for homes demanding real mopping and maximum suction. The robots below clean well, but when you have kitchen grease, dried spills, or muddy paw prints, spinning pads quit. The E25 is built for this. First, the Hydrojet Roller Mop System, a pressurized roller delivering clean water, scrubbing the floor, and collecting dirty water simultaneously. Every pass uses a fresh roller. Second, 20,000 Pascal turbo suction with duo spiral anti-tangle brushes. Strong for carpet, smart for long hair. Third, a corner rover extending arm that sweeps into wall corners every round robot misses. Cons: serious investment. Roller system needs occasional manual maintenance and cleaning. App can be complex for new users. Best for hard floor homes, kitchen messes, frequent moppers. Not for carpet-only homes. At $599.99, the E25 is the first robot here that mops the way a person would. Want genuinely clean floors? This is it. Now, the number 1 pick. This machine was independently ranked the best robot vacuum in the world. Here it is. The number 1 best robot vacuum in 2026 is the ECOVACS DEEBOT X8 Pro OMNI, the most advanced cleaning system available. Every brand claims their robot mops. The X8 Pro OMNI washes the mop while cleaning, no waiting to return to base. First, Osmo Roller Instant Self-Washing. Fresh water flows in, the roller scrubs, dirty water is collected simultaneously. Always a clean roller, every pass. Second, 18,000 Pascal suction with zero tangle 2. Powerful for embedded debris, engineered so the brush never tangles. Third, AIVI 3D3 AI navigation that recognizes 200+ obstacle types and revisits high traffic zones. Cons: premium investment. App has a real learning curve. Dock hot water mop washing is post-clean only. Best for serious buyers, hard floor homes, pet owners who mop frequently. Not for budget shoppers or carpet-only homes. At $599, the DEEBOT X8 Pro OMNI is the most complete hands-free system available. Want a robot that truly mops? You're looking at it. And there you have it, the 7 best robot vacuums in 2026. Drop a comment and let me know which one you're going with. I read every single one. All links are in the description. If this video helped, hit that like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching.